Welcome back to the channel. Today I have got something super special for you. Straight from my rooftop garden. Say hello to this humble underrated veggie, the wax gourd, also known as the ash gourd or white pumpkin, a powerful vegetable packed with health benefit. It is a natural superfood to boost your health and immunity. Let's dive into why you should start eating this today. So, what's the top benefit of eating wax gourd? First, it's great for digestion. Wax gourd is rich in water and fiber, helping cleanse your digestive tract and prevent constipation. Second, it aids weight loss, low in calorie, high in volume. It keeps you full for a long time. Third, it naturally cools the body, making it ideal during hot summer months. Fourth, it's a powerful detoxifier supporting liver and kidney health. Fifth, the ash gourd juice is known to calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve mental clarity. But don't forget the leaves. Wax gourd leaves benefits are equally impressive. They are rich in antioxidants, supports skin and heart health, and reduce inflammation when consumed in moderation. Now, here is the exciting part. I am using these fresh leaves to make a crispy, healthy snack. Wax gourd leaf fritters or kumra patar bora. It's quick, simple, and loaded with flavor. Stay tuned for step-by-step recipe and discover how you can turn rooftop grown veggies into delicious healing food. Just dip the leaves in a spicy chickpea flour batter, fry until golden brown, and that's it. Crispy, healthy, and full of flavor. For more health tips, vegetable benefits, and garden to kitchen recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your wellness journey starts with what you eat, and Wax Gourd is perfect place to begin with.